Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to show you how I'm using Claude and Flux to generate social media post designs for brands and based on the brand identity, right? While I'm showing these to you on Canva, they haven't been created with Canva, which is actually amazing because they are all AI generated. I use this AI workflow that I will share the link with you in the description under this video. And as you can see, all of them that you saw here has been created with this workflow. The only one that had some error in the text in the headline was this one, on which I had to intervene and do a little edit, right, and remove just with actually using Canva, remove that double text that you see here, summer written twice. And they have been all created based on this website. All I had to do is just add the website URL. So what's interesting is that I had to do a few adjustments, and instead of using Pro Ultra or Pro 1.1, I'm using Dev, Flux Dev, which appeared to give me controlled results when it came to actually getting these texts on the images generated correctly. And the guidance, I had to set it at 5. And let me just show you what this template mainly does is actually looks at the website with GPT Vision to establish a brand identity, then creates a mood board, then writes the captions, the social media captions, based on which then we will also craft the text that goes upon these images, right? So then it creates these headlines, as I just said, then creates a base prompt and 15 variations, which mainly means that it will go and create 15 images, right? So then separates all these prompts in the next 15 prompts by connecting the base prompt with each of these 15 variables or variations. And that's what it does here in this repetitive task automation. And then, as I just showed to you at the beginning of this video, it starts creating them, right? So that's what it does for all 15 images. So now I can save this as a template, which I actually did. I don't want to redo it again, but I will give the link to you. But if you want to change anything, all you have to do is come in here and edit it, right? So this is great for businesses. This is great for AI agencies or for people who are offering social media services in case they want to also incorporate some or all of the content based on AI generated content, right? Let's try and do this live and see what we can achieve. Let's just go and grab a website that sells, I don't know, music instruments, and let's see, for example, this one, Lucky Music, and let's look at the website, see what how it looks and all. We might use this one. Let's see what we can get out of it. So we grab the URL and then of course come to the templates, to the actual template, just copy paste the URL and click on run. Once the results are ready, you can actually download all of them, and all the URLs are in here as a result, and of course also the captions with hashtags, emojis and everything. As you can see, all the images have been created, designed with AI. And what's interesting is that you see some sort of consistency in colors because it kind of summarized this website with all the colors in here. So let's just check all of them. So far, I don't see any mistakes in text. Yeah, no mistakes so far, right? To be honest, this is something you can do on Canva, right? Now we have the microphone section with the microphones in here, and now this one says lighting solutions. Let's just make sure it's accurate because I want to see I want to make sure this is not just a hallucination. It's actually a service or a product on this site, right? So let's say lighting. No, it's accurate because look, they do have lights right on this site. So to put them next to each other to give you an idea on how the social media feed would look for this specific brand, this is what it would look like. We have consistency in terms of colors. I would get rid of this one. It's very poor in terms as a design. Looks like it's really poorly done, and some don't have text, but which is great to add some to the mix. They don't necessarily all have to contain text, right? So this is it. This is how you can create designs easily without having to get on Canva or Photoshop or any other tool by simply using generative AI. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.